Hi, to find the Wi-Fi password on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to just open Settings. From here, find first tab which is named Connections. Then tap Wi-Fi. And now if you are connected to your network, then you can see it in Current Networks tab and you can see Status Connected. So, to find password from this network, tap Settings icon, and here tap on this eye icon to actually view the password. But before, verify your identity either by scanning fingerprint or by entering PIN code. And now we can actually check Wi-Fi password, and also eye icon disappears from this tab. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.